Hello everyone, Max here. Welcome back in another video. This time I would like to show you a very cool new agent in the market called TaooBuy. So in the past we had TaooBuy, TaooBuy and many other different agents, but this time there's a new player in the market called TaooBuy. Let me show you real quick how you can purchase the items on TaooBuy and how simple that is. And be sure to use the link down in the description and claim yourself some beautiful nice coupons. As you can see, you can get like 23.9 US dollars off your first shipping. Again 23.19, again 23.19. So as you can see, there's a lot of different coupons you can use, and I highly recommend you guys to check out the TaooBuy. You have the link down in the description. Let me show you real quick how to purchase the items. So when you first log in into the TaooBuy, how it all looks like. As you can see, you have the home option, the estimate option, the forwarding option, fill and buy, help center. Here at the beginning, I recommend you guys to check the English instead of Chinese, unless you know the Chinese, and USD instead of the CNI or European currency if you use the European, so that it all is just easier for you to understand. Now, as you can see here, you have the search bar where you can put the name of the product or a link. It supports the Waiting link, the 16.18.8 link, and the Taobao link, so you can search for whatever you want to. Just like on TaooBuy and other services, first you place an order and then the item gets shipped to the warehouse where you get the quality check pictures and everything, and then obviously the item gets shipped internationally to you. So that's just amazing. Now let's say you have a link to send, so let's just put it in like this and let's click on search, and now it all loads in. And as you can see, now I've got my product here. I can see all the pictures, I can favorite it, so it actually gets saved on my account, so I can see whether I like it or not. I can see all the pictures, I can see all the items in here, so it's just great, all the combinations. What I'm going to purchase now is this blue one, this blue hoodie in a size L. It all shows you the shipping fee of the domestic shipping, of course. In this case it's at 8 yuans, and then from the seller it gets shipped to the TaooBuy warehouse, and then from the TaooBuy warehouse to your address internationally. So I want the quantity to be 1, and if you have some other requirements, you can always just put this thing in so that the seller knows exactly what you want. You can always just customize your requirements even here, so that's just amazing. Let's buy this thing now, or actually let's add this thing to the cart and let me just purchase another one. So yeah, I have this L thing here checked, and now let me also add another hoodie. So I will choose this time, let's maybe choose this navy one like this. As you can see, this is the exact hoodie I want, and let's click the L product and let's buy it. So let's click on add to the cart, and now just like this you can see all the products here in the shopping cart. They get displayed. You can see the price and the color combination and the sizing combination, so it's all L. Now let's go to the cart, check out, and let's purchase these two items. So it all looks like this. The shopping cart says that I have 2 items selected, and here, as you can see, you can estimate the flights, so you can estimate the destination. Let's say I'm from US, and you can mark like every sizing options here, so let's just put it in. Weight will be like 1 kilogram, let's say. The price is just 36 US dollars as for 2 of those items for the flights, so that's just pretty nice. Okay, and with that said, let's just select all the items and let's submit the order. Let's pay for it. And now, as you can see, you have to put in your address, so let me just do it real quick. Let's hit I agree and read the purchasing terms, and let's buy these 2 items now. So now, just like this, you can see your orders here in the orders tab, and you can pay for your orders immediately now. So let's click on this, and we have to pay for it the 26.6 US dollars. Let's just click on pay balance payment. Let's confirm the payment. As you can see, the congratulations, your order is successful. So we actually paid for our order, and yeah. So that's it as for today's video. If you have any questions, just leave them down in the comment section. I will answer you for sure. And if you have some problems, some issues with your coupons or orders, just simply ask me. I will answer you for sure. And no worries, guys, you might actually have some. So yeah, be open. I will answer your questions. See you in the next one. Bye.